Welcome back to the House of a Garden. Many blessings to you all. Today, I've been meaning to show you guys forever my this little tool here because I was like, I need an inexpensive Nutri-Meal for my wheat berries so I can make my breads, pastries, my pancakes. Today we're going to make pancakes, but it's always not best to go inexpensive because this thing gets really hot. This is the Gold Touch high speed multifunction grinder. I like it because it was on hand and inexpensive what I could afford at the moment. I've had this for quite a while, but I'm definitely going to invest in the Nutri-Meal. So, take it apart here. I already got my wheat berries in here. Enough to make my pancakes today. Just about a cup of wheat berries. And if you didn't know, 2/3 cup of wheat berries makes 1 cup of flour. So I just wanted you guys to know that there's 2/3 cup of wheat berries in there to give me my 1 cup of flour. Now this thing is really loud, so I will bring you guys back once I grind it. Okay, so and the other thing I don't like about this, if you look at the back, you can see some of the dust here and on the bottom here. It kind of comes out, so you really have to like push down, even though it's locked in, to make sure your flour doesn't come out. So that's another thing about this that I don't like. But I mean, it does the job. But it's really loud. Is why I put you guys, muted you guys. It's really loud, and it gets hot. Like this is hot right now, and I don't like that. I'm like, it could have had a cooling feature. That would have been great. So I just put the flour in my bowl. It does come with this cool little brush, and it does come with 2 blades. So when that one goes out, I mean, you can use the other one. So I mean, if it's something you're going to use just for something quick and then until you're able to get your Nutri-Meal or something better, I would do it because that's what I did. Or I'm doing. And then, I tightened it. Loosen it. There's a knob on this side to loosen it. And then, let's see, flour. I will show you guys the bowl here in a second. Am I still going? Yeah, so this is just another alternative to the Nutri-Meal because those things can be quite pricey. And you remember, and we all remember that hand meal that I had that broke my other rolling counter. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. I'm like, won't you just buy the Nutri-Meal? I already broke the rolling counter with the hand crank, and then now I got this hot grinder here. Okay, let's see. So this is what it looks like after. And that's how I grind my wheat berries. And I do get my wheat berries from Azure. Hi. Azure Standard as well. And I love it because you get a bunch. I put them in 5-gallon buckets with bay leaves and they hold up great. I mean, they hold up great. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And now that's it with this thing. I'm going to make some pancakes. All right, so these are just some of the things that I use. Organic cane sugar, baking powder, baking soda. I love Celtic salt. I mean, it's so good. And this is the olive oil that I use. Really good, really good. And I make my own vanilla extract. You have a car. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys this recipe. I really don't want to. I'm kidding. I guess I won't keep the goods to myself So you need 2 tablespoons of the sugar. And to the people that lay their stuff down and waste all those dishes, putting the stuff in little cups, I am not doing that. Okay, I just need to use my utensils. That's it. That's ridiculous to me. It just is. Am I going? Yeah. I don't know. I think that's just ridiculous. Tablespoon. I'm sorry. Teaspoon. Baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. Well, yeah, I do not like putting that stuff out like that because I am not wasting all my dishes. Okay? To go back and have to clean them. And I already have dishes that I'm cleaning as I go. So, half of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk that in. Always whisk your dry ingredients first. I'm sure people know that, but I guess I'll just say it. Nice and even. Okay. And then, all right. If I have buttermilk, I use buttermilk, but I do use milk as well. I love this milk. It's so good. But either one, but you need 3/4 cup. You can use water also, but it's so much more dense with this mixture like this. And fluffy and just delicious. It really is. I love it, guys. And let me know in the comments if you made it and if you like it. Try it with your, if you don't have wheat berries, try it with your regular flour and let me know how it goes. 2 tablespoons of oil. I do not measure, but I would say a teaspoon of vanilla. And then 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I use 4 monks, but whatever vinegar you get. Last but not least, 1 egg. And that's it. That is it. Now, I do sprinkle some other things in here for taste for myself. You sprinkle whatever it is that you like. But for my flavor, I like a few things. I'm not sharing it because it's my secret. My secret's how I get my pancakes to taste tasty. But I did give you the general recipe for the pancakes. Look at that. Wheat berry pancake batter for now. I will show you guys the finished product. Okay, I also want to show you guys this butter that I use. It is truly amazing. Not just because the name is Truly. Okay, I was corny. Sorry. But it is so good. I'm telling you, you will not go back to any other butter once you have this. Not even Kerrygold. This puts Kerrygold to shame. Okay, I am not sponsored by this, but I shouldn't even put it on here. They might raise the price or take it away. But anyway, this is really good. I know someone in there is going to be like, butter is butter. No, it's really not. Butter is not just butter. Because somebody give you some margarine, you be like, oh, it's butter. uh-uh. Don't do that. Okay, I just wanted to bring you guys in close so you can see. Nice pourability. uh, nice and smooth. So the Gold Touch does work. It's just loud and it gets hot. So when I do my breads, I have to do it in 5-minute intervals and no higher than 5 minutes to blend. And so I go up to like 3.5 to blend, and I do like, I want to say 3 cups at a time, possibly 2 to 3 cups at a time. So yeah. And it gets really hot, so it kind of takes a little longer with the 5 minutes to let it cool off. Because the second time, it's just like really hot. Like you can't touch it hot. So we'll see about a Nutri-Meal, and I'll let you guys know whenever I get one and show you how that works and see if that gets hot. Or if anybody has one, let me know in the comments or send me an email if it gets hot or not. I know Grains in Small Places, she does... she has a Nutri-Meal, I believe. I'm not sure what kind, but we'll see. All right, let's see. Can you see? I want to show you guys this. These are the eggs from the quail and the chickens. It's about a week, 2 weeks somewhere in the sun over there. Time to wash them and get them in the fridge. Yeah, 2 weeks because we got the basket right there. I also forgot to tell you guys, the longer you let the batter sit, it can absorb the moisture better and it becomes a little bit, just a little bit thicker, and it's really good. That's how it becomes fluffy. The longer you let it sit for like 2 minutes before you put it on, I think it'll be good. Also, I know someone's going to say, oh, well, you know you can make buttermilk out of the vinegar and the milk. Well, the combination that I have, let me explain. You'll see once you try it. So, I do know that, but you will see the flavor and the texture once you try it in the recipe. All right, so the pancakes are done. I wanted to give you an example of if you, as soon as you're done mixing and you put it in, this is how they come out. Love that texture. Versus if you let it sit, this is how they come out. They just came out, so that's hot. This it's fluffier than the first pancake. Way better. I love that crunch and crust around the edges. This is fine also, but if you wait, you get that crunch and crust around the edges that you like. Well, this is the recipe that I wanted to share with you guys that my family has grown to love so much. If you'd like to go ahead and give me a like, share the recipe if you would like. Share. But anyway, like, share, subscribe, most importantly, grow. Many blessings.